Hi, Martin here, and today I want to talk all about the Immersive Reader for OneNote. I'm going to talk about what it is and then show you all the different options that you can use to make it as useful for you as possible. So let's get started. Okay, so first and foremost, what is Immersive Reader? Well, it's included in OneNote and it's a full screen reading experience which is designed to increase readability of content in OneNote documents. So it's designed around supporting students or people with dyslexia and dysgraphia, but it can support anybody who wants to make reading on their device easier. So that could include revising for tests and scenarios like that. So to use the Immersive Reader, open up the OneNote page that you'd like to read through, head to the View option, and then select Immersive Reader. So this will switch the view into our Immersive Reader view, and you can see straight away it's a lot easier to read than the original OneNote page was. But we can actually take this further with a number of different options. So we have a number of different text options, which is this icon here. So from here we can change the size of the text. We can increase the spacing or reduce the spacing. We can change the font. We have 3 different options. We can also select different themes, which will give different background colors to the page. So once you're happy with your text options, then you can actually move over to our grammar options. So from here, we can highlight different parts of the text. So for example, if I select the nouns option and check that on, all the nouns are now selected and highlighted. And we can also edit the color that these are highlighted in. And the same works for all the other different parts of speech. So once we've finished with those options, we have our reading preferences over here. Now this is some of the most useful options that we have. So we have something here called line focus. So line focus allows us to focus on 1 line at a time, 3 lines at a time, or we can turn it off and view the entire screen. So again, this can really help to focus in on our reading. Underneath we have an option that's called Picture Dictionary. So this is checked on. So I could go in and select a word, and what that does is gives me a few different options. Each word you can click and it will play a sound. It will say that word out loud, but the Picture Dictionary actually shows an image as well. So you can see if I go ahead and check that off and then go back to the word, I've just got the sound option. The final option here is the translate function. So if I decided to change this over to Bulgarian, I could do that by word. So if I click, I now get the Bulgarian translation. I can also do the entire document and it will convert the document into the language I have selected. The final options are down the bottom next to the play button. We have our voice speed, so we can make the voice louder faster or slower. And then we have the voice selection of female and male. So I hope this video has been useful. That's just a quick tour of Immersive Reader and all the options inside. I encourage you to give it a go. And if this video has been useful, please give it a like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials.